watched yesterday's vlog, you know that I have company here. So I went to bed last night and I didn't put on my nightcap, like my silk cap. And this is my hair today. What was I thinking? I have had the same routine for how long? For like 2 years. I wear a silk cap at night and then I wake up and my hair looks just the exact same way it did yesterday after it, like, you know, falls into place. This is what I do every morning. I'm not going to stray from my regular morning routine. I strayed from my nighttime routine. I need to, you know, at least keep my morning routine. I like to massage my scalp for 2 different reasons. It fluffs my hair and gives it volume. Although even today I'm just putting it in a pony because I destroyed it in my sleep last night. But I like getting circulation to my scalp because we all know I have been doing everything I can to stop my hair from shedding and thinning out. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm just gonna clip it up. I have added one thing to my routine though. Every morning I take a hair growth supplement. I cannot even tell you how long I've wanted to start taking something that's going to help with my hair. But I'm pretty specific on what I'm going to take because they have to check all the boxes. For starters, Nutrafol is #1 dermatologist recommended for hair growth. It is 100% drug-free and all natural, and it is created with medical grade ingredients. I'm really determined because I have a lot of thinning and I just want it to be visually thicker, which I don't think anyone doesn't want that. My hair isn't very shiny and I've read so many good things about this, so I'm like super hopeful. But I know it takes time and consistency, which is why I have it out here on my counter and I take it every single morning. 90% of women say that they saw an improvement in their hair after 6 months. So I am going to give it a solid 6 months and I'm excited for you guys to like do this with me. I love showing you products that work and like showing you along as we go. I am definitely not one to take like any type of supplement to band-aid a problem. For me, it's the root cause, and that was I would say the #1 reason that I was like, I want to try this, because I went on their website and they kind of bullet point some of the root causes of why women's hair starts to thin, and that was the most comforting part to me. I'm going to put their website in the description because you have to go on there and read how they target the root causes of like hormones, stress, because I'm like, how can you do, how does it target those things? But their website does a really good job of telling you how they target those root causes. And for me, that was like, okay, sold, done, you got me. And if you click the link in the description, they're going to give you $50 off your first 3-month subscription, which I think is really, really neat, especially if you're looking for something to help with your hair. This gives you a little discount. Thank you, Nutrafol, for sponsoring today's video. Now, I have company, so let's get to them. Did it snow a lot?
Yeah.
Enough for a snow day, huh? Today is a snow day, which is kind of fun. And I recruited my littles. I said, I will pay you if you go out and shovel everyone's car off and shovel the driveway so that Uncle Bo doesn't have to come out and do it. Joel left early this morning. Uncle Bo came and stayed last night. We have Ellie and Jared staying last night. And I know they're going to not want to have to come out and shovel. If you do the windshield, that's good. You don't have to do the top of the car. So do all the windows too, okay? Good job. Let's go make some hot chocolate for him.
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, because we don't want to be freezing.
That's right. You can keep that forever. Should we go make some hot chocolate and toast? I think that sounds pretty good. Oh shoot, those didn't get laid out, so they're probably still kind of wet, huh?
Wait, can you zip this up?
I want to get all the slim snow off of it because I hate it.
I know.
And it turns into ice cream the next time we shovel it. It's like
harder. I know. It's a game. It's a game to see how much ice you can get off the...
I know, we're seeing like how far you can get. Oh, God.
Is Boston out there? Where's Kate? Oh, you're right there.
yellow snow outfit, and I thought maybe you were one of my kids. Hey, good job, everybody. Yes, okay, Ellie just said it's weird that there's this era ending, eras of babies. You are the last of the Griffiths grandchildren, unless Julie shocks us. There's 22 girls, 22 granddaughters, and 22 grandsons. I mean...
Sons and
11, sorry.
22
Wait, what did I say?
22.
Oh, 11 girls, 11 boys. She's our caboose, and it just feels weird that there's not going to be any more little babies to hold.
Now, thumb right here. Now go right here, and now down, down. Oh, C and then down. Okay. C. No. Thumb right here. Now, middle finger right here. Good.
That was really good. You were a good teacher. You were a good student. Oh my gosh. That was possibly the cutest thing.
At the same time. Nope. Okay. So now put pointer finger right here. Now down.
Yes, good job.
Want to learn the song? Okay.
You guys.
Okay. So tummy. It only has 2 notes. Well, 4.
Hey, Sleepy Slew. Oh, he's asleep. Everyone be quiet. He's still sleeping. His parents left this morning for some doctor appointments, so I have the Meekum children. Here's what we got accomplished this morning before we take you back to your parents' house. I was able to get a vlog edited and uploaded for tomorrow. We did a walkthrough of the house. What did we learn doing a walkthrough?
Always walk through.
Yes, because we would have left a stuffed animal, some underclothing, some socks, a sweater, you know, all the things. The house is in good shape, and you guys have all your things that you need to go back to St. George with. Win-win, you know, it's a win-win in my heart. I'm a fan of the walkthrough, what can I say?
We are going to grab lunch before we head out of town, and here's a pro tip that Aunt Bonnie likes to do. Whenever we go in to order food, I get the order written down on my phone first, because it always makes me like anxious when I've got like people standing behind me, when the kids are trying to talk and the, you know, cashier is like trying to talk to me all at the same time. And so I like to just be able to know exactly what I'm ordering when I go in. And then, okay, so Boston, what are you gonna get?
Big Mac.
Cody, what are you gonna get?
Big Mac.
Jackson, what are you gonna get?
Hamburger.
You don't like cheese?
I'm not a big fan. I only
Okay.
like it on my tacos, my pizza.
Okay, who else is back there in the back row? Lincoln, what do you want?
Cheeseburger and fries. And Bonnie, bacon. I said cheeseburger.
Okay. You think you'll be able to eat all of it?
Yeah. I eat them like all the time.
And Tommy, you said you wanted a cheeseburger.
And fries. Want to know why I love Big Macs?
Why do you love Big Macs?
Because they have my favorite sauce or something.
They are fantastic. I agree. I love them as well.
Yeah,
Julie, can I show what you made for dinner? Okay, well, we kind of put the kids over here. Maybe I'll show what Julie made over here. Because the kids didn't want salad. Julie made baked ziti, a really yummy salad, and I know this is her homemade
Sourdough bread.
Sourdough bread.
I'm going to close the vlog in my robe the same way that I opened the vlog because, you know, it's just my favorite pastime. Yesterday I had Ellie's kids and we met at Julie's house, dropped all the kids off, had some dinner together, and then we headed home. And I didn't close the vlog because I had the worst headache, and it was actually really hard to drive home in the dark with this like awful headache. I felt like I couldn't see well. Anyway, I got a good night's rest and I am feeling much better. It's the beginning of the week and it always feels like a lot on, you know, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day it is. I don't even know what day it is. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and we will see you in our next video. Bye guys.